Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. A couple of years ago, I did a quick 2-minute holiday video on how to make a wooden star. Got a lot of comments on it, and I might have had a little bit of screw up on my measurements during the video. I'm going to go into a in-depth detail on how I turn this 1x2 regular piece of pine into a wooden Christmas star. Stick around, I'll show you how I did it. So the star is basically made of two angles, a 54-degree angle and a 36-degree angle. I'm going to show you how to do this to make less cuts and less waste. If you have an old school DeWalt sliding compound miter saw like I do, it actually goes to 60 degrees. So if you own one of these, simple, quick, easy, check it out. First thing we want to do is cut a 36-degree bevel on one end, and then we'll measure our length and cut another 36-degree bevel. And then we're going to take that one piece and cut our 54-degree bevel in the middle. First thing you're going to want to do is set your miter to 36 degrees. And then we'll make our first cut on the end of our 1x2. Now these measurements only work with 3/4 inch stock. So now we're going to make our second cut at 10 3/8. That's 5.5 inches for one piece, plus 1/8 of an inch of your blade, plus the second piece needs to be 4 3/4. Looks good. And then set up a stop block. And then if you like it so much, what I do is I'm going to mark here so I can make more of these later on. I'll have that pencil mark on my chop saw. We are now going to make 5 of these. Now that we have the fifth one cut, 36-degree bevel, 36-degree bevel, parallel to each other, we're going to make the same parallel cut, but at the 54 degrees, and we want to do a 5.5 piece with the blade separating them. Those should be a 4 3/4 inch piece here at the end. Again, you'll find where the cut is and move your stop block over. And again, mark this one too. Because trust me, after you do this, you're going to want to make lots of them. Got them all. Now you should have 5 large pieces and 5 small pieces. Separate those. Large with large, small with small. And now we're going to put them together with the 36-degree bevel to 36-degree bevel, like that. Just go ahead and line them up on the workbench now to make it easier on you. So now you want to use your brad nailer with 1.25 inch brads in it and some glue, and you want to put both of these pieces together right at that 36-degree bevel. And be careful of the location of the nail. You don't want it to come shooting out on the other end. And now comes the fun part. The long portion here with the 54-degree bevel becomes the point of the star. Then we take the short piece with the other 54-degree, we set it like that. Come check it out. All right, so I stapled them all like this. I like it easier to flip it over for nailing purposes. So take the long one and a short one, a little glue. Do that. Again, be conscious of where your nails are going so they don't poke out the other side. I'm going at an angle here, which is like the longest meaty part of the frame. Now look at this. If we did it right, it all should fit right into place. Look at that. So little glue here, little glue here. And there you have it, a simple wooden star. Keep in mind, if you wanted to sand it, you should probably sand it all before putting it together. It'll make it a little easier. I like the rustic star. I might sand that spot right there, but you can fill the holes if you wanted to. You can stain it, you could paint them. You could paint them and sand some of the paint off after it dries to give it more of a distressed look. Very simple to make. You could probably sell these at a craft show for $10 to $20, maybe even $25, depending on what you do to them. Just remember, these sizes are just for 3/4 inch plywood. And I'm gonna see what I can do by maybe cutting them in half, see if I can't make a smaller star. Let's see if that works. Sure enough, I took and just divided everything in half, and I was able to make this little small guy. Does he fit in here? Oh, look at that. That's cool too. Like, you could totally even do something with that and sell it. That's pretty cool. Again, you could sand the edges, stain it, paint it, whatever. So, Gary, what if your miter saw doesn't go past 50 degrees? I don't know. I think I'll figure something out on the crosscut sled for the table saw. That'll be another video. Good luck. If you guys have this certain miter saw that goes to 54 degrees, have fun making these stars. They're really cool. And if you need something else like crosscut sled, make sure you hit subscribe, maybe even that bell notification, and you'll know when I put out that next video to see how you can make a 54-degree angle cut on a crosscut sled. Thanks for watching. I'm Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Take care, guys.